Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to clear all cache and junk files from Windows 10 or 11. So there are various ways to clear the cache and junk file. I'll suggest you the easiest ways. So first of all, what you have to do is simply click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now simply search for run. You'll be able to find the options over here. Click on the option run. Now you can see over here run will be opened. Now over here what you have to do is simply type in pre-fetch. Now click on the OK option. Now you can see over here this kind of windows will be opened up. You'll be able to find all sorts of files over here. These are all the junk files. So what you have to do is delete all these files. So in order to do that, what you have to do is press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Now you can see over here all the files will be selected. Now what you have to do is delete these files. For that, press Shift Delete. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Simply click on the yes option. Now you can see over here all the files will be deleted. Now the next thing that you can do is open up the run again. Simply search for run, or you can also press Windows R on your keyboard. Now once the run has been opened, what you have to do is simply type in temp. Now click on the option OK. Now all the temporary files will be shown over here. What you have to do is select all these temporary files. Again press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Now after doing that, press Shift Delete. Again click on the yes option. Now all the temporary files will be deleted. Simply wait for a while. Now all the temporary files will be deleted. Now after you do that, again open the run. Now this time what you have to do is type in %symbol temp %symbol. Click on the option OK. Now you'll be able to see more temporary files over here. Again in this case select all the files, press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Now delete it by pressing Shift Delete. Now click on the option yes. Now after you do that, wait for a while and all the temporary files will be deleted. Now after you delete the temporary files, what you have to do is simply open the disk cleanup. For that, open the run again. Now what you have to do is type in clean mgr. Now click on the option OK. Now you can see over here disk cleanup will be opened. You'll be able to see the files to delete over here. Simply select the files that you do not use anymore. Once you do that, what you have to do is click on the OK option. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Simply click on this option, delete files. Now you can see over here those files will be deleted. So once you delete all these files, all the cache and junk files will be deleted. So that is how you clear all cache or junk files from Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.